Multitask my butt.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel if you are a returning viewer, and welcome to my channel if you're new here. Hi, it's me, Nesmeen, and today I'm coming at you with The Sims 4 Discover University Part 17. Okay, I have some goals and maybe a little bit of explaining to do, but debate showdown. We should go to the debate showdown, seeing how this is at Discovery University. Let's play. Get your debate pants on, people. It's time for debate guild. We should go. It is Saturday. I played 2 days off of screen. There's some explaining for that. I don't want every part to be like the same. Last episode, we really just stayed home. I think Marik went to his audition and Julia went to work. So today is going to be more of a Rohan Noel day. They spent last night at the Spice Festival. They came back pretty late, like 1 o'clock in the morning. Last day of the semester was yesterday, Friday, and he did pass all of his tests. That's a stupid glitch that I do not like. He did pass all his class, so I signed him up for 3 more classes. So now he's a junior. We're gonna go visit the campus pretty soon here, and he can do some stuff there. Is this yours? No. This one's yours. Okay, you can put this in your inventory. Noel is just cooking something up really quickly, but I believe at the Brightchester Commons I did make like a kitchen, so she can make some more. Just need to prepare food for our career. So some goals. I did write down some goals that I have for this Let's Play. Let's get them to Brightchester. What is going on here? We need to go to the Darby's Den, New Bright Commons. We're gonna go with Rohan. So some things that I want to make sure that get done is, first of all, obviously the obvious thing is to get Rohan to graduate, and then I want Noel to reach level 10 in her career. I don't know what level she is right now. Is she like a level 6 or 7? Alright, here we are, and I did make a kitchen over here. This is great. I'm gonna have her make a gourmet meal. And of course, vegetarian options because she is vegetarian. She's like a vegetarian chef. Audition failed. You didn't get the role. The casting director didn't say if it was because of your line reading or because of the fistfuls of mint you took from the check-in desk. You better work on those skills just to be prepared next time. What? He doesn't need to work on his skills. He was perfectly skilled. Is it still going on? Or is it over? I would like to participate in the debate. Should he participate in the debate? He doesn't have any research and debate skill. He has like none of it. He's getting his homework done. And he just take my hand off the mouse if I don't need to be moving around because oh boy, she needs to go to work. Let her finish that. I'll let her finish that before I send her off. I've realized during editing that I do click around and turn my camera a lot when I just don't know what to do. We can put this in here, I guess. Oh, no, just kidding. Go to work, please. You off? You going? Where are you going to? Where are you at? Okay, there she is. There she goes. Work hard, please. No, I want you to keep doing your homework, please. It's ending soon. I didn't even know that it had started. Hello, sir. You can just like casually do your homework while you're over here. We're trying to go to finish watch the last bit of the debate. But I guess not. Go here. Multitask my butt. It's over. So there's that. You can clean up the statue though. Really? No. No. Reset. Get out of here. You made me drop my homework. She just did good at work? Yeah, she just did good. She didn't get promoted or anything. Which I feel like she should in the next part. Okay. Oh, yeah, she's a 7. What is this doing in the inventory of Rohan. I don't know why it's there. I want to be rid of it, but whatever. After he finishes this homework, he can go to like the bar or something. The pub. Stop, stop, stop. I don't want to talk to you. Alright, we're here. I invited Noel back. Play Juice Pong. Ooh. Wait, why can't we invite Noel to play Juice Pong with us? Hello. I guess we'll ask this dude. Oh, okay, I see. Okay, that's okay. Get juiced, Rohan. Go, Noel, go. I'm gonna assume she got it. And Juice Pong is done. What a fun game. Game goes to Noel Hart with a score of 4. Sorry, Rohan Elderberry. Better luck next time. Final score 4-3. Hey, it was close. It was close. I'm gonna have her use the bathroom, and then Rohan can come down here. He can order a drink for himself and for Noel. Salty llamas. I don't know what his favorite drink is. Ah, this is really hard for him because he's a loner. Did you order your drink, though? Okay, that's ours. Go. Go get your drink. Go get your drink. Go get your drink. No, Rohan, your drink. Did you drink your drink? I don't think you drink your drink. Dude, who are you? Do we know you? No, we don't know you, but whatever. Nola's just chatting it up with every person she sees. She's like, did you know that I am a pastry chef? These Sims are really loud. Say, I'm also vegetarian. He's like, if I just dance, I won't have to pay attention to any of the strangers around me. Just keep dancing. That's what he's saying. Just keep dancing, dancing, dancing. What do we do? We dance, dance. Cheerful introduction. Come on. And then you can order another drink. Oh, it's 2 a.m. No. Loner says can't stand to be around strangers. Oh, that's literally it. He just doesn't like to be around strangers. Not that he doesn't like to be around people. He just doesn't like to be around other people that he doesn't know. Rohan is an introvert and we are okay with it. Except for he's chatting with this dude over here. Alright, well, that's gonna be it for this episode, for this part. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like it, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Feel free to comment and subscribe if you haven't done so already. It was a little bit of a short part, but that's okay. And I will speak to you in the next video. Bye! Ghost, you better not be coming to talk to me.